even this case in 2014, where the Delhi High Court judgment on gay sex and alternative sexuality, because the court was not dealing with legitimizing marriages, it was not dealing with a new personal law, it was dealing with a phrase against the order of nature. And the High Court had taken a view that whether through an order of nature or self-acquired, it's not against the order of nature, so it can't be a criminal offense. When you have millions of people involved in this, you can't lock them up for this. They took too conservative a view, which probably globally in the way jurisprudence is emerging in 2014-15, probably would not have relevance. If it had been taken about 50 years ago, I could have understood it. But as jurisprudence world over has evolved, I think the High Court judgment was more correct. And probably at some stage they may have to reconsider.
I'm so glad that he has, and I'm hoping that he is, though already the media is telling us he said it as a personal, as an individual, not as a government authority. But I think you can't separate the personal from the political. So I'm hoping that Mr. Jaitley will follow through and assist and ensure that the court gets assisted in turning this judgment back.
जब दो बड़े लीडर ने ये वक्तव्य दिया है पॉलिटिक्स से उठ के, तो ये सुंदरता है भारतवर्ष की और हमारी आज़ादी की। और इसके लिए मैं चाहूँगी कि ये सेक्शन 377 को पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कस किया जाए और इसको मॉरलिटी के वैल्यू पे नहीं सोचा जाए, पर एक ह्यूमन राइट्स और संवैधानिक अधिकार से सोचा जाए।
I am glad that Mr. Jaitley for once is saying the right thing, that 377 today is an anathema to our liberalized recognition of the fact that there are 10% people in the world who are born gay. Therefore, you can't criminalize them. But it is easy for this government to delete 377. Why do they want to wait for the Supreme Court to review that judgment?
Majority of this country are not supporting this kind of a homosexuality. Majority of the people of the country doesn't support the lesbianism. It is immoral. The society of the country will not support this kind of an act. The people sitting in the government should understand the sentiment of the majority of the people. Micro minority cannot dictate their terms. The people in government should understand.